Hello. So, I do other videos, just don't post them up on here. But I could if you want to see them. And so I'm sitting here waiting for 6 o'clock in 3 hours. My parents are going to a wedding, which I'm not invited to, because it's part of their bonsai class. But figured I'd just sit here and record for a couple minutes to post. I am on Facebook, but not in a real talkative mood. I'm not sick. I'm just bored. I like the fact that it cuts off half my face. It's like, whew. Sorry. I'm only running on about 6 to 7 hours of sleep right now, so I'm not totally awake. I had we did a pool party type deal, but it was more volleyball, and that lasted until like 5 o'clock in the morning. And then they're like, "Oh, let's do a bonfire." So then the bonfire lasted for like an hour and a half or so. I was up at like 6 o'clock. So 6 to 6 is 6 hours. So I might just crash again. There. One eye. Haha, I can't even see that one. But I was up late. And this is the best way I post blogs. Because I could type. And no one even probably reads it. But this is how I usually do it. Way easier. Oh, so when I leave, I'm thinking about cooking a couple steaks up and doing mac and cheese. Sounds really good to me right now. But I gotta wait for a couple hours. And all I really ate I don't even remember. Oh, I got pizza in the refrigerator I'm gonna go for. I could pour a bowl of cereal, but that just makes me twice as hungry. I also have to use the restroom, but not right away. Oh, wow, this is better lighting. Cool. So there. That should be about it. I can't think of anything more to say, or less. I'm just scrolling at my Facebook, seeing who posted what and where and how and so forth. But, God, I am so bored. You have no idea. Uh-oh. What's that? That's weird. Huh. I'm just reading about Faygo cotton candy. It's in my Facebook right now. Which I've never had. Which I think is going to be pretty cool. See, without the clothes on, I still be down with the clowns for life. Oh, yeah, and I also mentioned, right, that I'm the outcast. Always have, always will be. Anywhere I go, any place, anytime, it's like I talk to a brick wall. That or I get these awkward remarks like what the heck are you doing here type deal. So, one example is when I'm at work and I'm talking about stuff, I get like shuttered out. Not even there. I'm just like, whatever, I'll still continue talking. Or at going places. Like I went to a barbecue a couple years ago and I walked in there. They looked at my parents like, looked at me like, what are you doing here type deal. I'm like, okay, see you later. Didn't actually leave, stayed there for like a few hours or more, but once people got alcohol in them, I was actually okay. But I deal with it every day. People don't even know. Feel that way maybe 80 to 90% of the time anywhere I go anywhere. And I get the weird, strange looks like, who is he? But I'm not going to change it. Can't even figure out how to change it. It's always been that way. Always have, always will. And it even started when I was a kid, too. Now, what bothers me is when I walk into a store and no one says, oh, may I help you? Or can I get you something? Or what do you need? Or anything like that. I walk in stores, I'm like, okay, see you later. They ask me for help, I'm just like, no, I'm good, thanks. Then I actually need help sometimes, so after I say no thanks. But then I go ask them, but when I get these people don't even ask questions about if I need help or not, I don't go back. There was one store in Hilltop, GameStop. I don't support GameStop. The way that they treated it was like a sin. I walk in about 5-6 times or more. No hello, no can I help you, no nothing. Then when I pre-order games and they give me a call or I give them a call, I'm like, you have it? They're like, yeah. I run in there in less than 5 minutes. They're like, oh, we just sold it. I'm sorry. You have to go to the other one over down there. They have a couple copies. I'm like, really? This is BS. My mom can actually clarify that one with you. She's the one who actually ran me over there in her car, so it took her about 5 minutes to get down there. And they sent me somewhere else. And then the third thing is, I went there one time about a year or two ago for a PS4. Was going to put, I think I put a down payment down. Or, no, I got put on the list. So then the PS4 came out. About 6-7 months later, I went in there and said, hey, is my name still on the list? And they're like, yeah, you were supposed to be number 27. I'm like, yeah, they should have gave me a call or something. So they're like, oh, let me check for you. Apparently the idiot who was in charge didn't write me down for PS4, even though I told him to. And then they're like, oh, yeah. We got you right here, blah, blah, blah. What you want? I'm like, PS4. Under my name. And they're like, yeah, we got you. You're all good. I'm like, cool, thank you. So, Long story short, they closed down. No word, no nothing. Just up and bye-bye, see you later. So, I don't support GameStop. Not one bit. If they close down, I'd be quite happy. I'd just sell all my games at garage sales and stuff for the price I want to get for them. So, yeah. I don't know, just bored. Waiting for 6. Told my brother-in-law, I'm like, yeah, I'll help you rip down your deck and do all that rebuilding. I don't do that. It bores me. So, just to let you know. Just to let you know also, Sky Falling. It's on Amazon Prime. Really good. I'm on 2nd season of 4. But I stopped it because they got to a certain point that I'm like, it's okay. 1st season, oh yes. 2nd, okay. 3rd, I don't know. So I figured I'd change things up for a bit. I switched over to Oz. And it's quite good. It's different. Not like, oh boy, I'll watch every episode, even though there's like 6 seasons of it. I have to be really into it. I get bored of watching something, I switch over. And I always keep switching. But I have to watch something really good. And Carnival, I watched it, almost finished it. It's good, it's different. I think I'm just too tired to even care. But, yeah. Oh, never mind, I'll tell you that later.
It looks like rain again today. Dark clouds gather to fill the sky. Don't know how to talk to you, just know how to say.
I think I think on a driver's license. Go back where you came from. Go back where you came
Jeez, this is cool. Wow. Wow, that's the coolest footage I've seen so far. I don't know. It's like, ooh, wow, oh boy, and then, oh god, no, 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 no. So, well, it's been almost 15 minutes. It's gonna go online shortly, and then I might go to sleep for a couple hours. Maybe I have to use the restroom before that. Oops, 15 minutes is here. Gotta call it quits. Purpose or lose. See you later. Bye bye.